In a world where convenience often clashes with health, this Epica Personal Blender with take-along bottle offers a practical solution for those who want to maintain their healthy lifestyle on the go. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or simply someone who enjoys fresh smoothies and nutritious drinks, this blender is designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Let's dive into the features, benefits, and overall performance of this versatile personal blender. The Epica Personal Blender is engineered with portability in mind. Its compact design, featuring a 20-ounce to-go mug, fits comfortably in most car cup holders, making it ideal for those hectic mornings or post-workout smoothies. The blender's lightweight bottle is perfect for on-the-go use, whether you're heading to the gym, office, or even a weekend trip. The inclusion of a sealable lid ensures that you won't have to worry about spills, even if the bottle tumbles inside your bag or car. This practical design feature means that your smoothie or protein drink remains securely contained, preventing any unwanted messes. At the heart of the Epica Personal Blender is its robust 300-watt motor. This powerful motor, coupled with high-performance 23,000 RPM stainless steel blades, ensures that the blender can handle a variety of ingredients with ease. From blending fruits and vegetables into smooth, creamy concoctions to chopping nuts or whipping up soups and sauces, the Epica blender is up to the task. The heavy-duty stainless steel blades are designed to pulverize and mix ingredients efficiently, creating the perfect texture for your smoothies, purees, and other beverages. This powerful performance makes it a versatile addition to any kitchen, capable of handling everything from frozen fruits to protein powders. The Epica Personal Blender features a BPA-free plastic cup that ensures your beverages remain free from any unwanted odors or flavors. Unlike some cheaper plastics that can impart a strange taste to your drinks, the high-quality material used in the Epica Blender maintains the purity and taste of your ingredients. Additionally, the blender's jar is break-resistant and can withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. This durability makes it suitable for a wide range of uses, whether you're blending hot soups or icy smoothies. One of the standout features of the Epica Personal Blender is its simplicity. The one-touch blending operation makes it incredibly easy to use, even for those who are new to blending. Just add your ingredients, secure the lid, and blend with a single press of a button. Cleaning the Epica Blender is equally straightforward. The blender jar is completely dishwasher safe, which means you can easily clean it after each use without any hassle. This convenience ensures that maintaining your blender is as effortless as using it. The Epica Personal Blender is not just limited to making smoothies. Its powerful motor and versatile blades also make it perfect for whipping cream, creating frozen cocktails, pureeing soups, and mixing up various dips and sauces. This multifunctional capability makes it a valuable tool for anyone who enjoys experimenting with different recipes and flavors. Epica stands behind their product with a 100% risk-free 2-year warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that if the blender doesn't meet your expectations or fails to perform, you're covered for up to 2 full years. This level of customer support reflects the manufacturer's confidence in the durability and quality of their product. Final thoughts. The Epica Personal Blender with take-along bottle offers a perfect blend of power, convenience, and versatility. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, while its powerful motor and high-quality blades ensure exceptional performance. Whether you're preparing smoothies, soups, or sauces, this blender handles a wide range of tasks with ease. With a durable, break-resistant jar and a practical sealable lid, the Epica Blender is designed to fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient personal blender that makes it easy to stick to your health and diet goals, Epica Personal Blender is a standout choice. Order your Epica Personal Blender today and experience how easy it can be to maintain a healthy lifestyle on the go. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.